Once you've got the strapless backroll dialed in and are familiar with board-off tricks, then it's time to try the Backroll Board-Off 360. To start, step back with your back foot, steer the kite up, and initiate a small carving turn upwind. With the kite directly above you, pop the board up and out of the water. Like with most board-off tricks, it helps to kick down hard with the back foot and pull the front knee up quickly. In doing so, the board will pop out with good height, making the grab easy. Lean back with your upper body and try to get your feet high and off the board. Initiate the body rotation with your head and shoulders. Now you're ready to let go your hand and grab the board on the other side of the rail. Remember to keep your knees bent, as this will help to get the board back under your feet in preparation for landing. As you touch down, loop the kite to regain speed. With the kite directly above you, pop the board up and out of the water. Loop the kite to regain speed. Let's remember the key elements. Pop the board high out of the water and grab the rail with the front hand. Lean back and bring the legs up high. Grab the other rail and keep the knees bended. Enjoy your ride with Duotone Kiteboarding Academy.